Now in this session we will discuss an introduction to red block trees. Red block trees are a balanced binary search tree. That is, every red block tree satisfies the properties of binary search tree. The value less than the root placed on the left hand side, value greater than the root placed on the right hand side. And coming to, along with binary search tree, additional property is balanced. How the balancing occurs in red block tree? Suppose consider an AVL tree. In AVL tree, the balancing occurs based on height. In AVL tree, the balancing factor occurs based on height. That is, height of left subtree minus height of right subtree is -1, 0 or +1. In red block trees, the balancing occurs is every node is colored with either red or black. That is, the properties to make the tree as a red block tree are: first property, every node is colored with either red node or black, either red color or black color. And another property, no two consecutive red nodes. That is, two consecutive red nodes are not allowed. The root node is always block node. The root node is always block node. So the root node is always block node. No two consecutive red nodes. And every path from a node to any of its descendants. From a node to any of descendants. Generally here descendants means up to null node. Here leaf nodes are called null nodes. In this, for every node we have made some leaf nodes. The leaf nodes are called null nodes, and all the null nodes are in black color. Remember, all null nodes are external nodes are in black color. Has same number of block nodes. Suppose in the tree, if you are considering one node, from that node to any of its descendants contains the same number of block nodes. Generally this is called root property. Root property means the root is always block, and all external nodes, that is leaf nodes, are black color. This is called external property. And the children, that is, no two consecutive red nodes are allowed. That means the children of a red node is either a black node, or children of a black node is either a block node. Okay. And depth property means all the leaves are at the same level. All the leaves have the same level. Same level means, addition to this point, all leaves have same block depth. Remember, 4 and 5 are same. In simple notation, fifth one is all the leaves have same block depth. Now I will go to one more point, block height. This is the very important factor. Block height of a red block tree is the number of black nodes. Block height means the number of block nodes on a path. From root to leaf. The number of block nodes on a path from root to leaf. Here leaf nodes also counted as black nodes. Remember, leaf nodes are external nodes. Leaf nodes also counted as block nodes, also called as block nodes. This is the block height. Block height is the number of block nodes on a path from root to leaf. This is the block height. For example, h is the height of a red block tree. If h is the height of a red block tree, then remember the block height is greater than or equal to h by 2. The block height is greater than or equal to h by 2 because there is a chance for half of the nodes are red nodes. And compulsory no two consecutive red node means compulsory more than one block node. Height is greater than h by 2. And one more, every red block tree with n nodes, a red block tree with n nodes has height less than or equal to 2 into log to n plus 1. Every red block tree of height n, this is the formula. Okay, so we already know binary search tree, and after binary search tree we discussed AVL tree. AVL tree is also a balanced binary search tree. Then what is the need for red block trees? Suppose in AVL trees the insertion or deletion operation takes more number of rotations. If you want to perform many number of insertions and deletions, simply AVL tree is not preferable. In this case we are moving to red block trees. Why? Because in red block trees the number of rotations are less compared to AVL trees. Okay, and if you are to perform search operation, AVL tree is preferable. Okay, now consider an example tree, that is to represent an AVL tree, and check each and everything. 70, 40, suppose some example 30, 50, 80, 100. For example, these are the given nodes, and remember all external nodes are, these are the leaf nodes. Now these are the leaf nodes, this is not the leaf node, these are the leaf nodes. All external nodes are colored with black. Also called as null nodes. Suppose the value is null node. The root node is always block node. Suppose given tree, suppose for simplification, double circle represents a black color, single circle represents red color. Double circle represents black color, single circle represents red color. See this one, check the properties. The root node is always block node, and first point is it satisfies the binary search tree property. The root node 70 is a block color, satisfied. Tarvata, and the next one is no two consecutive red nodes. See this one, 70 is a block, 40 is red, 30 is the red block. So see any level, no two consecutive red nodes are present, so it satisfies that property also. That means the children of a red node are compulsory block. No two consecutive means the children of a red node are compulsory block node. Next one, very important point to calculate the depth. Suppose consider the path 70, 70 to 40, suppose the 40 to 30 and 30 to null. 70 to 40, 40 to 30, 30 to some null node. Suppose some another path 70 to 90, 90 to some 80, 80 to some 85, 85 to null. See this one, here the property is the number of block nodes, every path from the node. Here from the node means, suppose consider the root node, the path from root to any of its descendants have same number of block nodes, See the path 70, 40, 30, I am reaching the null node. This is one path. How many number of block nodes? 1, 2, and including null 3. It contains 3 block nodes. Suppose consider this path 70, 90, 80, 85 and null. 70 is 1, 80 is another, null is 3. Again it has 3 block nodes. Okay, every path from root 2 on any of its descendants that is from root to null node on any path, the number of block nodes must be same. The number of block nodes must be same. This is the introduction to red block trees. The only main properties is no two consecutive red nodes, the root node is always black node, and every path from the root node to any of its leaf node contains the same number of block nodes. In the next session we will discuss insertion. Thank you.